I'm going to show you how to do a quick setup of this printer so that you can use it for copy, and I'll also do the wireless setup. We will connect it with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office so that you can add it in any device for wireless printing and scanning. So let's start with the setup. So this printer comes with the 2 ink cartridges, and the number is 261 color and 260 black, and there is a power cable. Switch on your printer, go to the control panel, select the language and press OK. Confirm it. The next thing is to install the ink cartridges. So we have to open the ink cartridge chamber. Ink cartridge chamber you can open by placing your hand on the side. So there is a place on the both side. Lift it and it will hold itself. Now open the locks and these are the ink cartridges. This is the black ink cartridge. So you just see here it says B for black and C for color. So place the black ink cartridge here and lock. Open the color ink cartridge. Remove the seal. Simply place it here and close it with the lock. Now lift the door little bit up and then let it go down slowly. Now go to the main screen again. Press OK. Start alignment to improve the print quality. So click yes, or if you just want you can skip it. Now we have to load the A4 size sheets. We can load the paper at the rear tray, which is here, or we can also load at the bottom tray, that is here. So I'm just going to use this. Adjust the size. Confirm once you load the paper. So it will take around 5 minutes. Paper output tray is here. So simply open the paper output tray. So once it has done the alignment, you will see pages printed like this, and that is on the both side. So now the alignment is complete. The next thing is to go to the main screen and check if everything is okay. So once you see this screen, that means your printer is set up and it's ready for the copy, but it is not connected to the wireless network. Now I'm going to show you how to do the wireless setup. So we will connect with the Wi-Fi network of your home or office using the control panel. On the main screen, press the OK button, and here we get the option. Now go down, click on the LAN settings and click OK. Here we can see Wi-Fi is switched off, so we have to simply select it. Click on the manual connect. So select your Wi-Fi network. Enter the password using these keys. So you can use these keys. For example, these keys. This is the backspace. Now I want to use the numbers. For that I have to press this until we see the numbers here. Now select a number. Press OK. Now select another number or digit. Press OK. To apply the password, click on the start button, and it's connecting to the wireless router. Once it is connected, you will see the message connected to the wireless router. Now press OK. Now I'm going to add this printer in my iPhone so that I can use it for wireless printing and scanning. So here we can see Canon Print App. You can download this from the App Store. So once you open the app, you will get an option to add your printer. So click on it. And on the next screen, wait for the printer to show up. Here we can see Canon TR7021 series. Select it. And here we can see our printer is connected with the Wi-Fi network. Your printer series will show up at the bottom of the screen. Now our printer is ready and we can do the wireless printing, scanning and a copy. To do a copy, place the page facing downwards like this. Now go to the main screen by back arrow. Already it is default. As a default, printer is set for the one copy, so you can simply click on the start button and it will start the copy. If you want to change the number of copies, you can do that. You can change it to the black and white in the copy setting. So here we can see. So that's the result. We can also do the scanning. So I can use the top feeder tray. So place the pages facing upwards. And in the app you have to go and click on the scan icon. You can change the scan settings here and then click scan. Here we can see the scan is transferred. So we can save these two pages as a PDF or JPEG and then we can use it for printing, scanning or emailing again. So this way we can do the setup of the printer, then we can use it for wireless printing and scanning by adding in any device. Overall I can say it's a really good printer. As you can see, there is a ADF, that is an automatic document feeder on the top, and you can just enter the password using this display panel, and also you have an option for loading paper at the bottom tray and in the rear tray. And this printer is heavy, it's not a lightweight printer. Thanks for watching.